Okay, so how do you find it, sir?
Awesome.
Wala akong
They're
nakita.
speechless.
Really? No, I mean not the cave, the boatman.
The
Yes.
boatman.
I know cave's really great. It's amazing.
Wow.
How about me?
Yes, sure.
I'm sure I'll make
Fantastic.
the tour very nice.
Yes. Very entertaining. I should have brought my other tape.
Wow. Thank God we made it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shoot it mo to.
Yeah. So I want to thank everybody for choosing this place on your vacation.
Yes.
Chairman, I want to thank for coming here. So can you do me a favor back home where you really belong? Manila, Quezon City, Austria, or in England.
England.
Just tell somebody else about this.
Junjun and
No,
his
about
boat.
not about me, about the cave.
The
Tell
cave.
some of your friends, your neighborhood, about the underground river.
Yes.
Maybe they will come.
And the
If you
cathedral.
think that this is really amazing,
The
huh?
cathedral.
Yan. Okay, so need to go back again.
The cathedral.
Dahil yun, may mga iba ng bisita.
Hindi
Bye.
ko na shoot.